Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Are you ready for a magical adventure today? I have a fun guessing game for you. I'm thinking of someone who wears sparkling dresses, lives in castles, and sometimes has magical friends. She might even dance at a royal ball or talk to animals in the forest. Can you guess who we're going to draw and color today? That's right, it's a beautiful princess. Now, as we start coloring our princess, you can use your imagination to bring her to life. She can have long golden hair, bright pink hair, or even rainbow-colored curls. It's all up to you. You can choose a glittery blue gown, a soft pastel dress, or make her the most colorful princess in the world. The best part about coloring is that there are no rules. You're the artist, and your imagination decides everything. Let's think about the details that make our princess special. She has a beautiful crown that could shine in gold, silver, or even emerald green if you want. Her gown flows gracefully, and you can add as many sparkles or patterns as you like. Maybe she has magical shoes that glow, or a magical wand tucked into her dress. And don't forget her charming smile and sparkling eyes. They make her look kind and full of magic. Did you know that in many fairy tales, princesses are based on real history? Long ago, there were real princesses who lived in castles and ruled kingdoms. But fairy tale princesses often have magical elements, like talking animal friends or enchanted forests. For example, Cinderella talks to friendly mice, and Rapunzel's long magical hair glows when she sings. Bermuda pink. You can make your princess as magical as you want. And while you color, think about where your princess lives. Does she have a giant castle on top of a hill with towers reaching the sky? Or maybe she lives in a crystal palace under the sea. You can even draw her surrounded by magical creatures like unicorns, talking birds, or even dragons who protect her kingdom. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any of our fun coloring adventures. We make new magical journeys every week, and I'd love for you to be part of them.
Light blue. Yellow.
Here's a fun fact for you. The very first princess in an animated movie was Snow White, way back in 1937. Since then, so many princesses have been introduced, each with their own unique story, dress style, and magical world. But today, you get to create your very own princess, and she can be as unique as you want her to be. While you color, let's make it interactive. Can you think of a magical power your princess might have? Maybe she can control the weather, talk to animals, or make flowers bloom with a wave of her hand. Say it out loud while you color. I'd love to know what special abilities you gave her. Another fun idea. What if your princess is also a superhero? Maybe under that beautiful gown, light purple, she wears a sparkling cape and saves her kingdom from danger. You can add hidden details in your drawing that tell her secret story. That's the beauty of coloring. You're not just filling in shapes, you're creating an entire world. As you finish coloring, take a moment to look at your masterpiece. Isn't it amazing how your creativity brings the princess to life? You made all the choices: her dress, her hair, her castle, her magical powers. And now, you have your very own fairy tale scene. If you had fun today, make sure to come back to our channel for more coloring adventures. We'll explore enchanted forests, magical creatures, and exciting worlds together. And don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss a new video. So little artists, are you ready to create even more magical stories with us next time? I can't wait to see you again. Until then, keep dreaming, keep imagining, and keep coloring your world full of magic.
Coloring coloriando.